Hello friends, let's begin today's digital painting tutorial. I will show you how to draw cherry blossom season on Ibispaint. Today I am using Ibispaint for making a painting looks like cherry blossom season in Japan, Simla or South Korea. I would like to say. The technique is very easy actually and you will have to draw a proper A. You will have to make two lines. It will be the tree with different perspectives of the label. You have to make the trees according to perspective. You will have to make the perspective particularly. You have to pay attention to your lines and make the edges very clear and very beautifully shaped. Then add more details, more branches, and add some highlights of brown with the airbrush trapezoid 20% brush, and then try to make some tiny leaves with lips one brush. You can find the brush on the basic brush. Just search more, you will explore and make them beautifully cover the sky. Now I am not making the sky properly. I am only making the leaves. You all can see just lips, but I use various sizes. I mean, sometimes it will be bigger, sometimes it will be smaller, the medium, just match the and the colors will be different. So I am now going to the sky on the background. Then I'm adding some leaves for highlight, as you can see, and then adding some highlights with the fur brush. You can find the brush on basic list. Then I am making it beautifully covered with pink flowers with the flower brush colored pink. I am taking various shades of pink and cover the trees with pink and blur the flowers because it cannot be very focused or highlight as it is far from the focus and there is so many flowers, all cannot be focused along. And using leaves one brush for leaves and the petals for making the scenery beautiful, and on the road and the shadows from the trees and the background of the trees will be very dark because the trees are covering the entire area of the woods, and I am making it two lines with a white color in felt tip pen brush because it will be very realistic to do those lines on the road. And then I signed the painting and completed cherry blossom season. I made it with unbit paintings. I hope you will like the video. Please do subscribe and like and share. Thanks for watching.